Either I want to look at stroke path. I've just got my brush selected. I forgot. Cal's Paintbox Gouache Bristle Super. If I want to try and draw like a nice smooth line, freehand using the mouse, I end up with something like that, where I'm just gonna, and it's a bit wonky and a bit unpleasant. If we use the pen tool, which we're going to go into more depth with, if I left click to drop a point, then left click and hold that point and drag this handle out, I can create a smooth Bezier curve. Now if I click again, I'll add another point which I can move around, give me a smooth curve shape. Now if I then right click on the line and choose stroke path, it will give me the option of what tool I want to use. It will always use the setting you've got for the current thing. So if I use brush and then click OK, it puts a brush mark down exactly following that curve, which gives you a lot more control. We'll leave it there. Thank you for watching.